Welcome. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up a website. First, go over to Home, My Websites. You're going to end up on this page. In the very top right, just go ahead and click Create Website. You're going to end up on this page. And go ahead and select a profile. If you need to add one, you can go ahead and click this. You can then give it a website URL. If you want to hook a URL to it, come back to this, and let's first get you set up as quick as possible, and then what I'll do is I'll show you how to add a URL to connect to it. So go ahead and just fill this information out, hit Save Changes, and as soon as you do, you will get redirected back to this page, and if you open this, you'll see here are your different pages. You can add a new page very quickly here, and you can also visit the website settings at any time to revise it, including the URL settings, and you can also access the pages back down here. Anyway, you can set whether or not it's going to show in the top navigation. Here's what the website's going to look like. Here's a slightly more refined version. It's the same basic theme as you can see, but it looks nicely filled out, and we've got, if you can write a simple, if you can use Microsoft Word or some similar word processing program, then you can create web pages and have a great looking website that does the job. After you create some forms, they will show up in here and you can just connect that to it. So next, in terms of hooking a domain to this, all you need to do is click Is Redirect. What it will do is tell our system, MaxLead Pro, that you have done a 301 redirect, which is a masked URL. So at the top here, in this example, somebody would only see rogerv.com. However, you do need to configure a 301 redirect. To set up a redirect, it's actually really simple. In this case, I'm going to show you with GoDaddy. However, you can do it with any registrar. GoDaddy is one of the most popular domain places to register a domain. And if you go and purchase one, you do not need to buy any upsells. You don't need the hosting. You don't need anything. It should cost you initially probably a $2.99 a year or something like that. Anyway, once you have the domain set up, then you need to get logged in and you click on the actual domain. In this case, for an example, this was a side project related to real estate. Once you are logged into the domain details page, go down here to forwarding, go ahead and click manage, and where it says you're not currently forwarding this domain, go ahead and click add one now. Now what I'm going to do is change tabs and go back to MaxLead Pro, and I'm going to click the view link. What I'm going to do is actually right click, copy link address. Copy link address. And in Chrome. In Internet Explorer, it's something similar. I think it's copy URL or copy URL. Anyway, you basically want to copy this address. You can also just go up here and copy it out of the address bar, starting with the complete HTTP and everything. Right? So in this case, we're going to hit Control A for all. We're going to hit Control C for copy. We're going to go back here. We're going to chop that in here and then make sure and remove the HTTP colon because it's already over here, right? And then just delete that and hit save, hit add. It's going to make sure that this is checked if needed, and you can set it to 301. Thanks, enjoy.